How do you suggest a new source? Hi, I'm Francesco, developer advocate at daily.dev. This is a series of tutorials on how to use the most common daily.dev features. If you want to stay updated and support this initiative and you want to help us with the YouTube algorithm, please like this video, subscribe and turn on the notifications. Thank you so much. For example, in this video, we'll answer a very common question. How can I suggest a new source? Can I suggest any source? Can I suggest any blog? Can I suggest my blog? That's very selfish. Technically yes, but it's better to read the content guidelines before, just to save your time and hours. Let me show you how to do that. I am in the daily.dev extension. To suggest a new source, you can just click on My Feed, Feed Filters. If you don't know how to set up My Feed, you can just check the previous video. Click on Feed Filters, suggest a new source, and here you can just paste your RSS URL. Click here, and one RSS feed found, click here and send for review. Done. It was that easy. What about the review process and how long will it take? Once you've successfully submitted a source request, our team will manually review it. That's our way of ensuring that the content guidelines are met. The review process usually takes between 7 and 21 days, so please be patient. During the review process, you can expect to receive notifications by email. Once the source request was successfully sent, once your source request gets approved or rejected, and if our team has any questions, they will reach out to you directly via email, don't worry. So your request may be approved or it may not. If it gets approved, every new post that is published by this source will be collected by daily.dev, analyzed, and if it's suitable, it will be added to the feed. It might take a few days until it's full synced, so please bear that in mind. And if it gets rejected, please read the reasons why it has not been accepted. It's probably because it was not a good fit with our guidelines. Another common question we receive is: can I submit a source again once it has been rejected? Well, basically yes, but please only submit your source again once you've made a substantial change. If you got rejected and you would like to get additional information, please contact us at support@daily.dev. So that's it for this video. If it has been useful, please don't forget to leave a like, a comment, and see you on the next video. Bye!